196 new positive cases were reported in Goa on 17 July 2020. According to health bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services, 129 people recovered. Total confirmed cases in the state are 3,304. Total active cases in the state stands at 1,337. Total recovered cases stands at 1,946. Total 21 deaths are reported till 17 July 2020. One female, 67 years from Zuarinagar, Vasco, who was admitted at ESI COVID Hospital Margao with comorbid condition, expired on 16 July 2020. One unknown person brought dead from Margao was found to be positive post-mortem. Out of 5,627 samples tested, 2,146 are negative, 196 are positive, 3,285 reports are awaited. At present, patients in isolation ward are 26. At present, people quarantined in various residences, hotels are 173. As per media bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 17 July 2020. Breakup of total 1,337 active positive cases are as follows. Travel by road, train flight 131, Mangur Hill 43, link to Mangur Hill 417, Santines 1, Agasayam 1, Alem 2, Bicholim 9, Banaulin 3, Bambolim 6, Kandolim 1, Kankona 6, Kamrabad Tonka 3, Karanzalem 2, Kansarvarnem 6, Karambulim 5, Kamulim 1, Kalangut 2, Kansaulem 2, Chimbel 2, Gavlebad 4, Indiranagar 64, Kolim 4, Kurtorim 8, Kurchorem 8, Kunkolem 24, Darbandora 11, Donapaul 4, Goavela 4, Kundam 2, Khandola 36, Rutolim 25, Panji 10, Marsaim 5, Margao 25, Mandur 8, Merses 3, Motidongar 7, Nerul 23, Duem 4, Navelim 10, Old Goa 1, Purvarim 18, Ponda 45, Mapsa, Kholim, Selpem, Ganganagar, Karaswada 37, Pernam 18, Parra Mapsa 2, Kwapam 25, Raya 3, Shiroda 20, Sakre 39, Sholim 2, Sangam 1, Thivim 1, Tulip Diagnostic 139, Taligao 3, Uskao 12, Verem 2, Walpai 21, Wolvai 4, isolated case in Kujira Santa Cruz 1, isolated case in Kolwae 1, isolated case in Chinchenem 1, isolated case in Kumbartua 1, isolated case in Kolwa 1, isolated case in Mardol 1, isolated case in Guirim 1, isolated case in Anjuna 1, isolated case in Arpara 1, isolated case in Betim 1, isolated case in Santa Cruz 1, isolated case in Consuao 1. Cases in major locations are as follows. Sada 100, Baina 138, Kurtorim 39, New Wadam 112, Chimpel 124, Zuarinagar 192, Kharewada 104, Bali 42, Tulip Diagnostic 139. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.